Running a tutoring business involves not just managing lessons, but also managing the financial side efficiently. Invoices are a crucial part of this process, ensuring that payments are tracked and managed seamlessly. Your billing operations will be simplified by our feature, Invoices. Invoicing is a breeze with ArcPlatforms. Our schedule run feature automatically creates and sends invoices at the end of the payment cycle, ensuring timely billing. Payments can be made via credit card, account credit, or manually, and refunds are easily handled. This streamlines your financial management. Let's dive into this. So starting in the Future Invoices tab, we can see all the invoices that have been accrued over the payment cycle. So these include lessons as well as lesson cancellations or absences where you've sent a consequence or a penalty to the client or patron. And if we click on the specific profile, we can see all the lessons that have been done during the payment period. So here we see a 60-minute lesson here, another 60-minute lesson, and a lesson cancellation where there was a $15 penalty. So if we want to send out the invoices at the end of the payment cycle, we click on the button in the top right hand corner and create a schedule run. It outlines all the specific future invoices, and then we click on the submit button. So as these invoices are processed, we can go to the schedule run. And then if we click on the specific schedule run, we'll be able to see all the invoices that have been sent directly to the patron and client in this instance. So let's go over to the Invoices tab and look at them more clearly. So if we scroll down from the Invoices page, we'll be able to look at the specific invoices that were sent out. Now I'm just going to click on Andy's for now. So if we look at Andy's invoice, we'll see that there's the address of the company and the ABN, as well as the address of Andy and a bunch of other important information, including tax compliance stuff down here. If we want to pay the invoice off, we click this button up here, and we can look at the different methods. Now, it is important to note that we are looking at it from the admin perspective right now. If you are a client or a patron, you will be able to pay with credit card account credit, but not with the manual payment. The manual payment is only reserved for admins, and what it refers to is, you might receive a bank transfer or you might receive cash, and you can just quickly log that payment down through the system. So beyond that, you can also pay with account credit. So if Andy, in this case, he has got $90 available balance that we can essentially use to pay off the specific invoice. We can also use a credit card to pay it off as well if Andy has this card added in the system. Now, if we scroll down and look at an invoice that has already been paid, if we scroll down here, we can look at the specific payments. So we can see that this payment was done in cash and it was done on the 10th of June. If we are also interested, we can initiate a refund as well for whatever reason. Now, there are a couple ways to do a refund. Now, if the payment was made through Stripe, the refund method can also be sent back through Stripe as well. But beyond that, we have a couple of other ways to refund. One is to give account credit to the client or the patron that they can use in subsequent invoices, as well as just a manual log of a payment. So let's say we just bank transfer them back, or we send them cash or a check or whatever it is. We can just add that and log that refund down as a refund there. Now, if we want to as well, we can see all the specific payments that our organization has made, as well as all the specific refunds our organization has made as well. If you like the product, have any feedback or new feature suggestions, please check the link in the description below to book a chat with us. Otherwise, check out our Feature Spotlight playlist or watch another video here.